In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix can't connect to this network error on Windows 10 and 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. There is no single way that helps you to fix this issue. So, you need to follow all of the steps carefully to fix can't connect to this network error. First method, you need to click on Network and Internet Setting and click Change Adapter option. Now, right click on the Wi-Fi section and click Disable. Now again right click on it and click on Enable. Now you need to check back your Wi-Fi setting and try to connect. If it still doesn't work, then jump to our next step. On this step, you need to right click on it again and click on Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Now you need to must enable obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically and click on OK and again click on the close button. Now try to connect on your Wi-Fi again. If it still doesn't work, then jump to our next step. On this step, you need to click on the Windows key and search for Device Manager and click on it. After come to your Device Manager area, you need to expand Network Adapter. Now choose your Wi-Fi adapter and right click on it. Now click on Update Driver. Now choose the second option, Browse my computer for driver. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Now you need to choose all of the driver one by one and click on the next button. When the driver will update successfully, then you will see your Wi-Fi setting is restored. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily fix can't connect to this network error on Windows 10 and 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video.